Hey, hello, and welcome to another math camp topic. Okay, so let's get started. It's pointing that way, and here we go. These guys are going to come along for the ride. What we're going to do today is, this is really cool. We're going to go from words, regular English words, to mathematical expressions. So it's words to expressions, words to math sentences. Now, you don't know this, but we do this all the time. Like this little guy right here is saying, I need 3 more cookies. Well, we know that means we got to get out of our seat, go get 3 more cookies, bring it back. 3 more means, we need to add 3 more. So we use these sentences all the time. So let's just talk about some of the words that we use in expressions. So here we go, math words in expressions. Now, sometimes it indicates to add or subtract or multiply or divide, or this new thing is called raised to a power. This is a caret symbol. Okay, now, here we've got math expressions, math words. So we're going to figure out what operation it goes with. Does it go with add, subtract, multiply, divide, or raise to a power? Okay, let's go through these. And as you see them, see if you can figure out where they're going to go before I even put them somewhere. Okay, more than. Well, that indicates more than, so that's a plus. We're going to put that under the plus side. Product of. Okay, product means times. So the product of 2 things means you multiply. The product of 8 and 9 would be 8 times 9. Okay, twice a number also indicates times. Twice a number would be 2 times a number, like 2 times x, if x was our number. Okay, where does the sum of go? Where should I put sum of? Well, I should put that, that's right, I should put that right there in the plus. The sum of 2 numbers means plus. Okay, minus, you guys know, that goes right there. Divided by, okay, that's easy. That goes down there. Added to, guess where that's going to go? That's right, we're going to go right there. Added to is in plus. Increased by, okay, that's also a plus. 4 increased by 2, well, that's 4, 5, 6. That would be 6. Okay, where should I put the less than? Okay, the less than is going to go under minus. That's right, good job. 12 less than 8 would be 8 minus 12. 12 less than a number would be a minus. Decreased by. Okay, that's also going to be in the minus. Just like increased by indicates plus, decreased by indicates minus. How about this one? A number is doubled or tripled or whatever. That's right, that's going to be times. If we double a number, we're taking 2 times that number. Tripling a number, we're taking 3 times that number. Okay, let's look at this one. Quotient of. Okay, you guys have heard this word before. Quotient means divide. The quotient of 2 numbers means divide. Okay, how about times? Something times something. That's right. That would be under the multiplication. Difference of. That's right. Difference of goes under the minus. Subtracted from. Again, yeah, that goes under the minus, under the subtraction sign. Okay, here's our last one. A number raised to the 3rd power or 2nd power or 4th power or whatever. Okay, this is a little different. You've probably not seen this very often, but a number raised to a power looks like this. I'm looking for my purple marker and there it is. Okay, a number raised to a power. So say I have x raised to the 3rd power. Okay, that would indicate x to the 3rd power. And a lot of times on Delta Math, what you're going to use is the caret symbol, and the caret symbol is on your keyboard above the number 6. So when you put this in Delta Math, you're going to put x caret 3. Okay, that would be to the third power. To the second power would be x caret 2, which is also written as x squared, like that. Okay, so that's a number raised to a power. We use the caret symbol for that. Okay, now how are we going to use these words? What's this going to look like? All right, let's move to our next sheet. Okay, here we go. All right, this is what it's going to look like on Delta Math. Let me refocus. Okay, as you can see, it says represent the following sentence as an algebraic expression where a number is the letter x. So here it's asking for 8 times a number. Okay, let me show you how this goes. Let me autofocus again. There we go. Okay, 8 times a number. Now we know that 8 times a number is, oh, let me find a marker. Here we go. 8 times a number. We could write 8 times, and they want us to use, notice they want us to use the letter x. So we could write 8 times x. Okay, notice how that looks a little awkward. It looks like we have 2 x's in a row. Okay, now that we're getting older and we're not in first, second grade anymore, 8 times a number, we're just going to put 8x. Okay, that indicates 8 times a number. When you don't have any operation symbol in there, it's an understood times. So 8 times a number, 8x. Okay, let's do some more of these. The product. Okay, now product again indicates times. The product of what? The product of 7 and a number. So the product of 7 and a number would look like that. 7x. Okay, next one. Okay, a number is divided by 3. A number is divided by 3. Well, we know that x is what they want us to use for the number, and we know divided by means divided by. We use the divided by symbol. So this would be x divided by 3. But the divided by symbol is not on our keyboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to put x/3. That indicates divided by. And when it shows up on Delta Math, it's going to make this, x divided by 3. So your final answer is going to look like that. Okay, that indicates x divided by 3. The fraction bar means divided by. When you type it in, do this, x /3. Okay, 12 is added to a number. Added to means plus. Okay, 12 is added to something. 12 is added to what? A number. So 12 is added to a number would look like that. Okay, you could also put 12 plus x. That would work as well because addition is commutative. That means these two things would be the same. Okay, here we go. A number is decreased by 7. Okay, a number, x, is what? Decreased, so that indicates minus. A number is decreased by what? A number is decreased by 7. So that looks like that. Now here you cannot write it the other way. 7 minus x would not be correct. That would indicate 7 is decreased by x, but that's not what we have. We have a number is decreased by 7. Okay, the next one is 2 less than a number. So 2 less than a number, it says 2 less than something. So I'm going to start with that. 2 less than what? 2 less than a number. So that is going to look like that. 2 less than a number. Again, you can't do this because that would indicate x less than 2. We don't want that. We want 2 less than a certain number. Okay, Twice a number. Well, twice indicates 2, and it indicates multiply, so this would be 2x, twice a number. Okay, the difference of something. So I know that's going to be a minus, so I'm going to start with that. The difference of what? 3 and a number. So the difference of 3 and a number looks like that. Now here again, order matters. Anytime you have a subtraction, order matters. Okay, and then the next one. Okay, again, this is subtraction, so order is going to matter. 10 is subtracted. So 10 is subtracted from what? From a number. So that's going to look like that. Okay, next one. A number more than 5. So we start with a number more than 5. So a number more than 5 would look like that. This again, you could do 5 plus x. That would also indicate a number more than 5. Okay, number 11, the difference of. Oh, gotta have a difference. Difference of what? A number and 8. Okay, 3 times a number. Okay. 3 times a number, I know that indicates times, so that's just 3x. Okay, now this one's different. A number raised to the 4th power. What that means is I have a number raised to the 4th power. This thing up here is called a power. This is an exponent. This is a power expression. Okay, when you enter this on Delta Math, you're going to put x caret 4. That's when you're going to type in. And then Delta Math automatically makes the answer look like that when you type in x caret 4. Okay? Always, again, if you have any questions at all, email me and I can help you. Okay, a number minus 8. So a number, we're going to start with that, minus 8. Take away 8. All right, next one, a number is tripled. Well, that indicates times. A number raised to the 3rd power. So this would be x caret 3, which is going to show up on Delta Math as x to the 3rd power. Okay, so that takes care of that. You guys have done a fantastic job. Go through the Delta Math problems, and you guys have just hit a home run. Good job, guys. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye.